As always, let's dive into our commodities market this afternoon and see what is playing out now. Gold, silver, copper, and platinum. Gold sells for $3,782.60. Silver is $45.39. That's an ounce of each of this commodity. For copper, it's $474.60. Platinum is $1,534.04. That's for an ounce of any of these commodities. The change is positive 11.50. Silver is positive 0.28. Copper is negative 1.20, while platinum is positive 5.06. For the percentage points now, we have gold in green, 0.31% in green. Silver is 0.61% in green. Copper is 0.25% in negative, while platinum is 0.33% in green. Corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Well, cocoa is significantly low at $6,941. That's not too good for that commodity. 0.23% in green recording, but in the sales price per metric ton, that is extremely low. Cotton is $66.19, negative 0.09, down 0.14. Wheat is $524.75. Corn is $424.75, negative 1.00, negative 2.25. Down 0.23%, down 0.43%. That's for cotton and wheat, respectively. And cocoa is up, I said that earlier, 0.23%. Now, let's move you to see what global markets are looking like this Friday afternoon. Now, shares in Asia dropped today, with pharmaceutical companies hit hard after U.S. President Donald Trump unveiled fresh rounds of punishing tariffs. Shares of pharmaceutical companies across Asia tumbled in the aftermath, with Japan's Topix Pharmaceutical Index down 1.2%. Obviously, Hong Kong listed Innovative Drug Index fell 2%. Shares in Korean drug maker SK Biopharmaceuticals also slid 3.6%, while Australia's biotech firm CSL was down 1.5%. An index tracking Chinese listed furniture makers also dropped 0.7%. Eurostock were last trading higher, with Eurostock 50 futures up 0.35%. That's it in green. FTSE futures rose 0.2%. That's it. Nasdaq futures down 0.1%. S&P 500 futures down 0.06%. Nickel is down 0.6%. HSL, that's Hong Kong Hang Seng, was also down 0.5%. CSR 300 blue chip index is 0.3%, also in negative, while MSCI's index of Asian Pacific shares is down 1%. Now, let's see crude oil prices today, edging up on track to climb more than 4% for the week, as Ukraine's attack on Russian energy infrastructure prompted Moscow to curb fuel exports. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude $65.02, with an upward review of 0.06%. Brent crude futures sells for $69.40, with a margin in negative 0.03%. Bonnie Light sells for $78.62, with a negative figures that's in negative for 2.84%. Now, for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $71.50 per barrel. That has a price decline in positive, I beg your pardon, for 1.00%.